Hi everyone, welcome to Acadia University, which is in Mi'kma'ki, the ancestral and unceded territory of the Mi'kmaq Nation. I'm Dr. Andrew Biro. I'm one of the co-coordinators of the Acadia Environmental and Sustainability Studies program, or ESST for short. ESST is an interdisciplinary program that teaches students to deal with the major challenges of the 21st century, environmental sustainability, as well as social sustainability. How do we build a more just and sustainable future? ESST draws on faculty from across the university to provide students with a diversity of perspectives on these important and challenging issues, to teach them to become change makers and leaders in their communities after they graduate. But don't just take it from me. Let's hear from a current student in our program.
Woo! Thanks, Dr. Biro. My name is Max Abu-Leben. I'm a third year ESST student. And when I was in the position that you're in right now, thinking about where to go to school, what really drew me to ESST was, number one, the urgency of the climate crisis and other associated issues. And number two, it was that ESST really drew me in because of its focus on community. And I think that's one of the strongest aspects of this program that's driven me forward. There's two, main components, the way I would see it, to this program. The first one is learning about the ideas, the diversity of perspectives, and challenging those status quo ideas or kind of given truths as much as you can. And the second part is teaming up with the people in your faculty, in your program, students, professors, anyone who cares, and really taking action, getting out there and doing the things you care about. And that's what I like the most about ESST. So as you know, there's a lot of change to be made. There's a lot of opportunity to do it. And I'm going to pass it over to Dr. Callahan, and she's going to tell you some of the things that ESST graduates have done after they finish their degree. And I hope to see some of you next year.
Great, thanks Max. So I'm Edith Callahan. I'm from the Faculty of Business, and I am also co-coordinator for the ESST program. So yeah, there's a lot that our graduates go on to do to make the world a better place. There are graduates that work for NGOs, of course, environmental and social NGOs. One of our recent graduates is working for the Ecology Action Center. A lot of graduates go on to work for corporations that care and want you to help them make a difference. Municipal, provincial, federal government, many students or graduates get jobs in governments at all levels. So yeah, we really hope that you come here and work with us, learn about environment and social sustainability, and then graduate to go on to make the world a better place. Thank you. Bye-bye.